Why does your brain remember embarrassing moments so clearly? The answer reveals surprising truths about your brain's survival instincts and emotional wiring. Embarrassment is a powerful emotion that activates your amygdala, the brain's emotion center. When you feel embarrassed, your brain tags the event as important, making it more likely to stick in your memory. This is because emotions help prioritize what your brain remembers, especially events that affect your social standing or self-image. Humans are social creatures, and your brain is wired to protect your social reputation. Remembering embarrassing moments helps you avoid repeating behaviors that could harm your social bonds. This memory serves as a survival tool, guiding your future actions and helping you fit in better with others. The brain has a natural negativity bias, meaning it focuses more on negative events than positive ones. This bias evolved to keep you alert to dangers, including social threats like embarrassment. That's why embarrassing moments can feel burned into your memory much more than happy or neutral events. So your brain remembers embarrassing moments so clearly because they trigger strong emotions, protect your social standing, and tap into your brain's negativity bias. These memories help you learn and survive in social environments. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.